Hi, it's Anton from Perth Gardens. I'm going to do a quick review on the latest Ego handheld blower, the LB5800. And I'll get to that in just a moment. I've been using that for about 4 months, so I've had a good chance to use this in a commercial gardening situation. Now look, if you're watching this video, you're considering buying a new blower for a variety of reasons. If you're looking at making a change from petrol powered tools, hopefully you figured out the benefits already, but just to run through it quickly, this is the kind of stuff you're getting rid of. So you have no need for unleaded fuel, two-stroke oil, or your mixed two-stroke fuel. You won't need earmuffs because the new Ego tools are much quieter. No need for air filters. No need to change spark plugs, and of course you don't need tools to change those consumables. So moving on to the handheld blowers, there's currently two blowers in the two handheld blowers offered by Ego, and I've got them both. This is the model that's been around for a couple of years, and that's more aimed at domestic users, I suppose, whereas this latest one is a little more expensive as a kit, but aimed at commercial users or people who want the extra performance that comes with that. So the major differences just quickly between these two models. The lower price model is offered as a skin only, which means without the extra the charger and the battery, or a kit, which includes the 2.5 amp hour battery. That's the smallest battery Ego offers at the moment, and a standard charger. And that gives you 900 cubic meters per hour of airflow. So this is a really good blower. It has one of the things that's not so great and vastly improved on the new blower is this one has a control switch which is either turns the blower on or it's off. So moving on to the new one, everything in this kit is an upgrade. So you're getting the rapid charger and a 5 amp hour battery as standard in the kit. This is not available as a skin only at the moment. The rapid charger is going to charge the 5 amp hour battery in about 40 minutes, and then you'll get run time of 15 minutes if you're using turbo, 30 minutes if you're using high, and up to 180 minutes if you're on the lower speed, which you generally wouldn't be. It's always easy putting the batteries on these things. Simple as that. Now apart from all of the upgraded components, which are very welcome for these tools, this gives you 10% extra airflow. The bigger battery gives you longer running time, but my favorite feature is the variable speed trigger on this. So you can run it very slowly all the way through to high, and then you have a button on the top to give you turbo, which is the maximum airflow. Having variable speed available from the trigger like this is incredibly useful when you're using the blower around a house. Say there's lots of times when you want to use the minimum amount of speed. You don't always want to go flat out with getting maximum airflow through, and then but there's times when you want to quickly bump that up to maximum, and so this does that really well. And that's that feature alone makes this a worthwhile upgrade for me. Now, the biggest downside, I suppose, with battery powered tools is runtime and needing to be able to get through a day of work. So if you're in a commercial environment, your best thing is not to have one of these tools, but to choose a brand that you like and go all in and buy several tools. And then you get several batteries, and it's, as soon as the tools are running low on battery, it's an easy matter of just changing it over. And you just always keep one on charge while you're working. So I'll keep one plugged in at a client's house, or on my ute where I have a solar panel to charge batteries. Now this does come with a couple of other accessories. I don't have them all with me, but it comes with a couple of different kinds of nozzles, and I've made another unboxing video which goes through all of those parts in more detail, so I won't go into that now. But it does have that's the standard nozzle, which gives you the maximum airflow, but it has another one that's sort of a bit like that, a flat nozzle, and I don't tend to use them because I just like to get the maximum airflow going through. Comes with a strap which can take some of the weight off your body while you're using it for a long period of time. I tend to not use that either because I like the flexibility of moving it around, and if you're using a blower for a very long time, then perhaps you're better off getting a backpack blower anyway if you're going, you know, for an hour or more at a time. So I like to keep it simple, and this is a really great tool. It's maintenance free, it's quiet and emissions free, so it's great for you, and it's great for the people around you. Really good tool. So thanks for watching. If you want to find out more details about what's in the box and the specifications of the tool, check out the unboxing video, which is also up on this channel. And I will also be putting out another video very soon on another product from Ego called the Backpack Link, which is a backpack that you can wear with a battery on your back, so taking the weight from your arms onto your back and giving you extended run time. So that's another alternative. Check that out, and thanks for watching.